In front of me is Xiaomi 14T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to hit apps. Then tap on app lock. Select turn on and tap on change password. Now tap on one of your login methods in order to pick the best one to unlock your apps. Pattern, PIN or password. After you decided, you get to create it and repeat it to confirm it. Then hit next at the bottom right corner. Now you can add your Xiaomi account by tapping on sign in and add, or if you don't want to do it now, choose not now and confirm your choice after 5 seconds. Now if you want to lock all of those apps, tap on use app lock right away. If you don't, you need to click on all of those and then check for 0 over here. Then tap on use app lock. Select cancel or settings in fingerprint unlock pop-up. And finally, click on gray switches next to all of your apps you wish to lock. So when I go back and try to access one of them, I can stat pattern is required. To disable app lock from any app, go back to the same settings. Enter app lock and now use blue switches next to your apps. If you want to disable app lock completely, click on this gear at the top right corner. Use blue switcher next to app lock feature and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!